Hi folks, Nico here. Today I'd like to showcase some of the expressivity of Solver's dev environment and how you can use Solver itself to help you configure it. So here I'm working in an old Python project of mine called light and add, which has dependencies on NumPy and some tests already created. Before I get started, I'm going to make sure to configure the starting dev environment to use one of our default images, Python 3.13. And then I will ask Solver to set up its own dev environment. Specifically, I wanted to, 1, install all the project dependencies, and 2, figure out how to run the tests for itself. This looks pretty good. Solver was able to install these short set of dependencies as well as run tests. And just to get things going here, I'm going to export the final state of the developer environment as a new image that can then be configured for the repo. Additionally, Solver suggested 2 memories. One, which are basically guidelines that it's supposed to follow in a particular situation. So one of these reminds Solver to how to install dependencies when it believes that they might have been updated. And the other reminds Solver how to run the test for the repo whenever it believes that it's done with a particular task. I'll go ahead and accept these, and we'll be able to see these in the memories tab. We can disable them, edit them, change the priority, etc. Now I'm going to create a new, actually not quite yet. Before I create a new session, I'll update the execution environment for this repo to use the image that we just created. What this means is that for any sessions going forward, the environment will already contain the install dependency. I'm going to give Solver a new task now. This is basically a very old feature request on my repo. Nice. So as we can see, Solver implemented the requested changes, wrote tests for itself, and actually caught a small import error by running the test. Note that it didn't need to install dependencies since these were already baked in to the environment image. Cool. Hope you enjoyed that.